Hello everyone. Welcome back again to my English learning session. So, today I would like to share my evening routine. In my previous video, I shared my morning routine. So, before sharing my routine, I would like to ask you a question. Do you think following evening routine is important for us? Let me share my thoughts about this topic. So, yes, I believe following evening routine helps us feel relaxed after a busy day and prepares us for the next day. Now, let me share my evening routine. So, my evening routine starts after 2 p.m. I usually have a healthy lunch around 2 p.m. After that, I take a short rest until 4 p.m. After that, I prefer to take a short rest until around 4 p.m. While taking rest, I like to listen to music. Because of this, I feel relaxed, happy. After that, I spend some quality times with my neighbors. We chat, we share our thoughts. Because of this, I feel stay connected with them. Then I prefer to watch some English podcast, comedy series, because it helps to improve my English and entertains me. Around 5 p.m., I have a cup of tea. After that, I get ready for work. So, around 6 p.m., I prefer go work, go for a walk with my friends. We chat, we laugh, we share our sorrows, happiness, so we enjoy each other's company. That really helps to feel relaxed and make my day enjoyable. And when my husband comes from office, I make a tea for him. I serve him snacks, a long tea. We sat on balcony and talk each other. As a result, we spend quality of times with others. It helps to strengthen our relation. Then around 8 p.m. I go to kitchen for preparing dinner. And usually 9 p.m. we have a dinner together. While having dinner, we watch English news, Hindi news. So these activities helps us to stay informed, and we discuss the topics. As a result, we enjoy our family life. After dinner, I walk few minutes on my open terrace, and around 11 p.m. I brush my teeth, make my bed, and go to sleep. So this is how I spend my evening time. And I believe a healthy and well planned evening routine helps me to stay relaxed, happy, and productive. So now it's your turn. Now you explain, you share your daily routine. Sharing your routine, you improve your spoken English. And really, it is the important part of our lives. So keep practicing, keep sharing your thoughts, your day, and improve your English. So till then, see you again. Bye.